We're at Tennessee River, my two favorite people. We're gonna try to catch some fish.
Think I should reel this in?
Yeah. Fish?
Yeah.
Oh Lord, I see it getting wrapped up. Don't get on that stick. It's that stick.
I need to go around the pole.
Pass it like up under him if you got to. Is it a monster?
Oh.
I wouldn't call it a monster.
It's something.
Yeah, it's something that we can eat for lunch time.
Let him get off. Drum, nice catfish. Good old cow cat.
Oh, he made a noise.
Good eating size.
Wait, is that Flatty's best friend?
Mm-hmm. Big old fat belly
He
on
is
that
fat.
thing. Ethan got the skunk off, finally. Reel it in. Is it on there?
I don't know. Wait.
Take it out, there you go. Take it out. Is it on there?
Something's fighting it.
There you go.
Get it, baby.
Help her keep out of the lines.
It's a monster.
Try to keep it in between these two.
Okay. Oh, it's taking the pole. Someone help me.
No, you got it, Paisley. You getting it. What we got?
I don't know, but it's big.
Might need a net.
I know.
Here, Easton. Look at it. Don't drop
Bring
it.
it up, baby.
Keep reeling it and get it up to the surface.
I can't. I can't.
Come on.
Hey, look, I see him.
I don't. Oh no.
Now let him get in the motor.
Dude, don't let him get under there.
Oh, I can't.
There you go.
What was it?
The catfish.
Flatty?
Oh, it's a good channel. Looks like. All right. Good job, Paisley.
Here you go.
I got a big one.
Yeah, you did.
That's my first catfish.
It is. Good job.
I think so. Monster.
Oh, yeah.
You got a big one.
Don't horse him in. Just kind of.
Is that a bull catfish?
You need a net.
Yeah, definitely. This thing's crazy.
He's hooked pretty good.
That's a good channel.
He felt way bigger than that.
That's how them river fish are. That line out there. giant?
Yeah.
I need to get the net though.
Yes, someone get the net. Hey, please. Scram.
Pretty good, decent sized fish. Now let him shake off. Pull him in the boat. Flip him over. Boat flipping.
I don't know how.
Help her out, Easton. Reel him up a little more. That's like the worst thing you can do to a fish is hang it like that. Either put him in the water or put him in a boat.
Oh, he's got
Grab the line, Easton.
Grab him. I know. Where's his eye?
Well, I think we're gonna call it a day. Had some pretty decent luck. I think we caught 6 or 7 catfish in a drum. Not a bad day. A little bit of hard work, but it was worth it, I think. I had fun. Did you have fun? Did you have fun?
Yep.
Alright. We had fun. Time to leave Tennessee River.